For over 20 years, Castrol and Tickford Racing have worked together to unlock the very edge of performance. Helping the team deliver on that ambition is Castrol EDGE. Castrol EDGE products are stronger under pressure and are crucial to provide Tickford engineers and drivers with the confidence to deliver on track. Confidence in performance and protection is key when just a single race demands an engine oil withstand 100% throttle for over 3 hours in Tickford's 5.5 litre Coyote while pumping out up to 447 kilowatts of power. Formulated with advanced full synthetic technology, Castrol EDGE products are tested to the highest standards to exceed the high performance levels demanded by world-leading car manufacturers in their latest engine technology. With such stringent testing, it's no surprise that the Castrol EDGE engine oil used in Tickford's Gen 3 Ford Mustang supercars is identical to the Castrol EDGE engine oil available off the shelf. Tickford Racing choose and trust Castrol EDGE to deliver a competitive advantage. Choose Castrol EDGE and unlock the very edge of performance for yourself.